guys, good afternoon, welcome to my vlog. Anyway, I just want to share with you this one. You know, these products help me stay healthy. Inside of these products there is 23 herbs. This is herbal. Kulit Intra. You can search in internet what benefits you can get if you drink these products. Anyway, you know, I sign up for a membership of this because I want to have discount, because this is the only food supplement that I in Tagalog is yang. The other food supplement, herbal food supplement, is not for me. It's not fit for me. No effect for me, but this is very effective. Every time I continuous drinking this one, my migraine headache, my sinusitis, dysmenorrhea is gone. But when I'm not drinking this for the long time, my migraine headache is attacking. Like how many weeks I'm always have headache. It's like my head is cut into half. It's so painful like this. That's why I ordered this, so that my migraine will not attacking anymore. A very long time I won't be able to buy this. Almost 1 year, because always short budget. But now I need to especially right now that the weather is very hot. Every time I go out outside the house, my head is very painful. My migraine headache will attacking. That's why I need to drink this. This is only food supplement, no side effect, because this is herbal. All is made from plants, roots of the plants. This is more safe than the synthetic vitamins. Anyway, I ordered this in Lifestyle UAE. I'm the member of this. I can make this a business. I can sell it under my name, or I can order this to send to the other country, because the membership of this is international. This is helping me to stay healthy and to boost my immune system. This is to control cholesterol and to help, because high in nutrients and minerals. This one inside 23 herb inside, to help your internal organ healthy and strong and healthy, to boost immune system, to fight the bad chemical that usually in the food that we intake, and to control cholesterol, because we always eat oily food, drink cola, mga soda. This is to help us prevent. I know so many people had cancer. They drink this one. The doctor, they said the doctor is said to them that their life is until how many years only. But the other people who drink this continuously, this is their water, they reach until more than 70 or 80 years old, instead of the doctor giving them more than 1 year. They reach until 80 years old. They don't even undergo chemotherapy. They just drink this one to help cleanse the bacteria inside the body, and to make the internal organs strong and healthy, to fight the cancer cells inside the body. Anyway, that's all for now, and have a nice day.